Hey, welcome back to another repair video. This is more of a curiosity thing for me. I got these tiles last year for Christmas, and I got an email saying that they need to be replaced. I didn't realize there was a battery inside. Apparently there is. They only last a year, roughly. It does take a 2025 size battery. To open these things up, you're gonna take I just use a razor blade. This is my trusty tool of choice for most stuff. But this white top is the cap. So what I did was I came up under here and just worked my way around the edges carefully, and then it popped open for me. Some of it was stuck. Had a little bit of white here that was stuck down, and then you're gonna have this board inside on the gray side towards the back, and this board should fall out of there. Okay, we'll set that off to the side here, front and back. And then you're gonna have this Panasonic battery in here, made in Indonesia, 3 volts, CR2025. So, in order to get this thing off of here, it is glued down or stuck down. So we're going to use a little bit of heat. And you need to be careful because it is a battery. Don't overheat it. Could explode. Bad things happen. More heat from this side. Probably not a bad idea. Put on a pair of safety glasses while you're doing this. Like I said, you don't want to use a whole lot of heat. It is a battery. There's some stuck down to the board. Just want to gently pry her up without cracking the board. I don't really want to stick anything metallic in there, so if you have some guitar picks, flat ones, it might help. Separate this thing a little easier, like so. Bam. So on this model, it looks like I said, the battery just stuck in there. So we'll just put this thing back in the way she was, like so. Should be enough adhesive left on there. And then we're gonna stick this thing. This little bite out here is going to be the direction it goes for the like so. We'll push our button. It might have actually deprogrammed it since we took the battery off. There we go. She's back alive. Thought maybe we might have killed it for a second there. Alright, so in order to get this thing back together without it falling apart, we're going to use some B7000 glue. The reason I chose this glue is because you will be able to get it apart a year from now without any problem. And it's got this fine needle-like applicator, so we can get a nice bead where we need to be. This section may not come apart very easily next year, but this glue will clean up fairly decent. So alright, so we're gonna put this back on like so, and then get some rubber bands. Just rubber band this thing up real tight, leave it on there for, I don't know, if you got overnight to wait, leave it on there overnight, or leave it on your keychain. It doesn't really matter. You know, rubber band it up, put it on your keychain. But there you go. That's how you replace those. It still works. So there you have it. Hope that helps you guys out.